Located approximately 30 kilometers east of Berlin's city center, the municipality of Rüdersdorf near Berlin is primarily known for its limestone deposit, unique in northern Germany. For over 750 years, limestone has been quarried in Rüdersdorf. Whether it's a Brandenburg Gate, Sanssouci Palace, or Berlin's Olympic Stadium, they were all built with limestone from Rüdersdorf. You can enjoy the nature around the municipality of Rüdersdorf near Berlin, whether in peace and quiet or actively while hiking, cycling, swimming, or boating. Public transport connections are provided by the Schöneische Rüdersdorf tram line 88, which runs every 20 minutes on weekdays and every 30 minutes on Sundays and public holidays. If you are a nature lover, you will truly enjoy walking or relaxing along the shores of the idyllic Kalksee, which historically attracted some known figures like the poet Theodor Fontana. The captivating view invites you to enjoy kayaking, canoeing, or boat rentals connecting through local waterways and locks. There are also access to regional paths which runs right along the edge of the dramatic quarry landscape. In conclusion, Rüdersdorf near Berlin is definitely worth a visit. Here, you'll find not only history and culture, but also unspoiled nature. Whether hiking, cycling, or simply relaxing, Rüdersdorf has something for everyone. I hope that this video will help you appreciate the place even more. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, tschüss!